Hi, I'm Dr. Nathan Hoover, a board-certified acupuncturist, chiropractor, and physiotherapist with advanced sports and family chiropractic and acupuncture. Throughout the years, ASFCA has become the trusted health and wellness resource for many athletes, families, and those suffering from injuries or pre-existing conditions in Kansas City. We offer many different health and wellness solutions and treatment options for our patients, many of which utilize state-of-the-art technology to assist in the healing process. We believe in the power of holistic healing and cutting-edge therapies to help our patients live healthy, active lifestyles. In this video, we will highlight ASFCA's Trifecta Red Light Therapy. This state-of-the-art treatment utilizes the power of red and near-infrared lights to stimulate cellular repair and regeneration from within. Trifecta Red Light Therapy is a safe, non-invasive treatment option with no side effects. During your Trifecta Red Light Therapy session, patients tend to feel a gentle warming sensation. Most individuals choose to relax or listen to music, and some may even take a nap during the 10 to 15 minute session. With the natural healing power of red or near-infrared light, we can target many different conditions, including chronic pain, inflammation, and muscle soreness. Trifecta Red Light Therapy offers relief from the following: back pain, neck pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, tendinitis, neuropathy, joint pain, fibromyalgia, sports injuries, headaches, and migraines. Trifecta Red Light Therapy also has many cosmetic benefits. It promotes skin rejuvenation, helping to diminish wrinkles, scars, and other signs of aging. Plus, it can improve circulation, enhance muscle recovery, and even boost mood and cognitive function after just one session. At Advanced Sports and Family Chiropractic and Acupuncture, our team of health and wellness experts design individualized treatment plans that are tailored to our patients' specific needs and wellness goals. Whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance and speed up recovery, or someone seeking relief from chronic pain, Trifecta Red Light Therapy can help you achieve optimal health and wellness. Make an appointment and visit one of our top-rated clinics located throughout Kansas and Missouri. Come experience the whole body healing power of Trifecta Red Light Therapy at ASFCA. Call or schedule your session online. We look forward to treating you.